Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Odoo CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Odoo CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Odoo CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking your customers and your deal pipeline is important to stay on top of conversions, and Odoo is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on their website, odoo.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create an Odoo CRM account, go ahead and click on the Try It Free button. Okay, once you do that, Odoo is going to ask for a little bit of information from you, your first, last name, email address, company name, phone number, language, company size, and primary interest. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes into the dashboard. They do let you know that they sent an activation email. You have to click on the email for your account to be active. So let me go ahead and click there. Okay, so I clicked on the email that was sent to me. Now they're asking me to go ahead and create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, from time to time, Odoo offers various promotions like free trials. And now it looks like they're offering a free mug if I invite 2 other users and I also use Odoo for at least 10 minutes. You can choose to do that if you want. I'm going to go ahead and skip it. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. It says my database has been activated. So let me go ahead and click here, go to my account. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into the home screen. So now I can go ahead and start setting up my calendar. I can go ahead and start adding in contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Odoo CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.